This video shows how to back up or restore settings with a USB drive using the Converge oven with simple control. This process consists of both backing up the oven settings to a USB drive and restoring oven settings from a USB drive. Before you begin, make sure the oven is on but not in cooking mode. You will need a USB drive. To back up or restore settings with a USB drive, do the following. Touch the menu icon. The menu screen displays. Touch the settings icon. The general settings screen displays. Plug the USB drive into the port. Scroll to System Backup and Update. Touch Backup Settings to USB. The oven downloads the settings. When the process is complete, touch the check mark to return to the settings screen. Touch Restore Settings from USB. Touch the check mark to return to the settings screen. The settings have now been saved to the USB drive or restored from the USB drive. Remove the USB drive. For more how-to videos, please visit our website.